sibling sa inyo. As an only child, kasi tinuturing ko na kayong family. My second family.
Thankful din ako kasi mainit yung pagsalubong every rehearsal. Tapos walang bad mood sa members. Tapos i-bond talaga sa members na to.
Alam ko na mahirap na i-achieve lahat ng goals natin kasi marami tayong pangarap actually as a choir. Pero kakayanin natin kasi we're working together.
Kung nahihirapan na kayo sa practices, kaya sa pagod, sa katoxical, always find your why.
Pagpo-choral, it's not an easy task to do. At times, it's very challenging. Tapos, may mga times talaga na parang mapapa-question ka na lang, ano ba, tuloy pa ba? Pero, ang sabi ko lang is, just keep doing this, especially if you love this kind of craft.
Sana hindi mawala yung love nyo for singing and to stay who you are kasi I know that will lead you to places. Kasi kung sino kayo ngayon, kahit na medyo may ano kayong ganon, masaya kayong makasama.
Keep fighting lang and keep moving forward and keep learning kasi we can always learn something new.
Continue making mistakes, continue learning.
Let's continue to be better as a choir. Let's not stop on striving, on practicing. Let's continue na mag-bonding kahit na wala na tayo sa SRPYC.
Don't stop growing and always try to be kind. And lastly, syempre, I love you guys.
I love you all. Yun lang. Wala na ibang sasabihin pa. Talagang mahal ko kayong lahat.
Siyempre, huwag kayong magkakasakit. Hindi ko kayo gustong nakikitang naghihirap.
Mahal na mahal ko kayo. At kung ano mong mangyari, sana buo pa rin tayo.
Kumain kayo, hindi ko kayo gustong makikitang magutom.
I love you guys. Sana ma-achieve niyo yung lahat ng gusto niyo i-achieve sa life kasi kayo pa lang I can see how hardworking you all are.
Huwag kayong maging complacent. Alam naman po natin na nagsiserve po tayo kay God. So, lagi po natin isa-isip yun. And enjoy lang po natin ng time natin and learn to learn from.
Sana lahat tayo maging successful in life. And I also wish for everyone's happiness. Kasi for the time na nag-join ako ng SRPYC, talagang naging masaya din ako.
I wish nothing but happiness for you guys. I do hope you guys will make it in life. And by make it, I don't mean living in a lavish lifestyle or anything like that. Pero, living out your dreams and being happy with surrounded by people who love you.
Whenever you feel blue, there's always someone with you, be there for you, care for you. In the end, we're just a family that we never look back on to.
SRPYC.
The SRPYC.
To SRPYC, thank you for bringing me this sense of peace. Kasi, as I've said kanina, sa inyo ko lang ito naramdaman.
It taught me how to find that passion within na never kong na-experience. Kasi it's easy for me to give up all the time. Pero it's even harder mag-stay sa isang bagay na alam kong pinag-devotan ko ng time.
SRPYC has been worth every sacrifice, yung mga risk na ginawa ko, and all the time that binung was worthwhile.
Thank you for being a family to me and for accepting me for who I was and for loving me as well.
Thank you kasi kayo yung nagpakita sa akin what it feels like to have a family. Kahit na magkakaibigan lang kayo.
Thank you kasi nakahanap ako ng sibling sa inyo. As an only child, kasi tinuturing ko na kayong family. My second family.
Thankful din ako kasi mainit yung pagsalubong every rehearsal. Tapos walang bad